How many hours do you spend each week on repetitive tasks in Word, Excel, Outlook, or Teams? Imagine automating most of that work. Microsoft has embedded AI into these apps, rolling out Copilot to over 1 billion users. If you're not using it, you're missing hours of productivity every day. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant powered by GPT-4 and built directly into Windows and Microsoft 365. It understands your documents, emails, and data to help you work faster. There are 3 versions: Copilot Free for web use, Copilot Pro for power users with Office app integration, and Copilot for M365 for enterprise. What sets Copilot apart from tools like ChatGPT or Gemini is its deep integration into Office 365. It's built right into your daily apps like Word and Excel. This native integration is Copilot's killer feature, eliminating the need for copy-pasting and context switching. Let's look at the plans. Copilot Free is $0 per month. If you use Microsoft 365 personally, Copilot Pro at $20 per month is the sweet spot for priority GPT-4 access and Office integration. M365 Business is $30 per month, and the Enterprise plan is custom, offering top-tier security and features. To get started, you have 3 access points: copilot.microsoft.com, Win+C on Windows 11, or the Copilot icon in any Microsoft 365 app. Sign in with your account. Then, choose your starting point, the web chat for general tasks, or directly into an app for document-specific assistance. Finally, simply type your first prompt. Copilot integrates across your work life. Word Copilot drafts and summarizes documents. Excel Copilot analyzes data and builds charts. Outlook Copilot summarizes emails and drafts replies. Teams Copilot recaps meetings. Copilot Designer generates images. And the Bing web chat provides real-time search. In Word, Copilot can draft entire blog posts, summarize reports, or rewrite text professionally. In Excel, it analyzes your data, creates pivot tables, identifies trends, adds formulas, and generates charts. All just by describing what you need. Shows Copilot users save an average of 1.2 hours per day on email and meetings alone. Outlook Copilot summarizes email threads and drafts replies in your style. Teams Copilot recaps meetings, lists action items, and allows you to search across meeting history. Copilot Designer, powered by DALL-E 3, offers free image generation for everyone. You simply visit the site, type your image description, select an aspect ratio, and Copilot generates 4 image variations instantly. It's great for quick graphics like social media banners or logos. To get the best results, use these pro prompting tips. Reference your own files by starting prompts with, "Based on this document." Ask for multiple options to refine your choice. Use role-based prompts and chain Copilot across different apps, carrying context from Word to Outlook or PowerPoint. Lastly, iterate in the same chat. Copilot for seamless Business delivers measurable gains, with 70% of M365 users reporting higher productivity. It assists HR with onboarding docs, sales with proposals from CRM data, legal with contract reviews, and helps developers write and refactor code in VS Code. This makes it a powerful tool when it comes to privacy and security. Your data remains yours and is never used to train the AI models. M365 Copilot ensures enterprise-grade compliance, meeting standards like GDPR and HIPAA. This means your data stays within your organization's cloud boundary, safe and secure. Here are 5 Copilot hacks. Create Copilot pages, which are collaborative loop pages from any chat response. Generate a full PowerPoint presentation from a Word document. Use the Excel Formula Explainer for complex formulas. Get email coaching to refine your tone in Outlook. And use Meeting Catch-up in Teams to summarize what you missed if you join a call late. Copilot is already inside your Microsoft apps, offering powerful in-document AI. Productivity gains are fast, and for enterprise users, data is fully protected. You can start with the free web Copilot and upgrade when you need deep Office integration. Copilot Pro. Hit like if this video saved you time. Subscribe to never miss an AI tutorial, and comment below to let us know which Copilot feature you'll try first. Our next video will share 10 Microsoft Copilot prompts that will change how you work, so subscribe now.